Alright guys, we're going to do, it's called Fizzbuzz. It's a whiteboard question. Apparently it's a classic whiteboard question that was made after a little kid's game. But I'm going to give you the best solution just real quick, and hopefully it'll help you. Alright, write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 100. For multiples of 3, print fizz instead of the number. For multiples of 5, print buzz instead of the number. For numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, print Fizzbuzz. Alright guys, we're going to use a for loop. And we're going to do I equals 1. I less than or equal to 100. I increment. And we're going to use the ternary operator. Let out equal. Okay. We're going to do I, the number, remainder operator 3 equals 0, and I remainder operator 5 equals 0. So if it's divisible by 3 and 5, both, print Fizzbuzz. Alright. Then alright, if alright, then only if it's divisible by 3, print fizz. Then if it's divisible by 5, print buzz. Alright, then if it doesn't fit any of those criteria, then just print the number. Alright, those will be assigned to out. And then for our solution, we are going to output alright, let's see, this it's a Atom extension called Quokka. It's pretty nice for just messing around. Alright, so 1, 2, fizz, 4, buzz, fizz, 7, 8, fizz, buzz, 11, fizz, 13, 14, fizz, buzz, 16, 17, 18, fizz. Alright, you get the point. But yeah guys, this is definitely the best solution. So yeah, make note of it. Alright, have a good one.